talk about colors. Okay, Mina, what color is it? What color is it? Black. How about this one? Pink. How about this one? Yellow. How about this one? Orange. Okay. Now let's talk about shapes. Nina, what shape is this? Circle. How about this one? What shape is this? Triangle. Okay, what shape is this? Okay, very good. How about this one? What shape is this? Rectangle. Okay, how about this one? What shape is this? Square. Okay, again, let's repeat. Circle. Okay, now let's talk about colors. What color is it? This one. Yellow. Okay, what color is it? Okay. Now let's talk the things that we use in a birthday party. Mina, what's this? Party hat. Gift. What are these? Candles. Now let's talk about the shapes. Okay. How about the cake? Is it circle or rectangle? Is it circle? Yes or no? Yes. How about the party hat? Is it circle or triangle? Yes, very good. It's triangle. Now let's count number 8, 9, 10. Okay, how many cakes do you see? 3 cakes. How many candles do you see? Okay, how about gifts? How many gifts? 5 gifts. How many